The difference between tricep push-ups and normal push-ups is the positioning of the hands. Now this is a normal push-up position, so your hands are wider than the shoulders, but for triceps you want your hands almost directly beneath your shoulders so that your elbows stay tucked as you do your push-ups. So really important here, you want to make sure you start in your plank position with your hands directly under the shoulders, keep your core tight and your body in a straight line, and as you lower yourself down, you're tucking your elbows close to your body. So the important thing here is to make sure that you keep your elbows from flaring out. Now this is obviously more advanced, so your legs are straight. To make it slightly easier, you can do this on an incline. All you need is a box or a bench, but the name of the game is the same. Keep those elbows tucked and make sure the hands are right beneath those shoulders when you start out. If this is too hard for you, you can modify it and start on your knees. As long as you make sure those elbows stay tucked, you are good to go. Make sure you keep that core activated throughout as well.